fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. What? Yeah, boy. Let's do this.
So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your own shop system. So without getting any delay, let's get started. So firstly, you have to add a ground, a player and some coins. And don't forget to add rigid bodies to all of them. And then you have to add movement in your player so that it can move and collect the coin. But there is a problem. If player will collide with coin, it will not collect them. So for that, we have to write script for the coin that when coin collide with player, it will be destroyed. And apply this script to all the coins. And now you can see your player is able to collect the coins. So now the main part comes. We have to make score system for our game. So we will make two type of score systems. One will be renewable, means whenever you play the game your score starts with 0. And another score system will count your total score. So let's get started by making renewable score system. So we have made a renewable score system. Now whenever I start my game, my score starts with 0. Now let's make total score system. So we have made total score system. Now we will display it to our shop. Now let's make shop system. So for shop system, we have to make another scene. Now first step to display total score is adding variable name which you had given previously for total score system. Here I had given variable name total score, so I will write it. Now we have to add text element and write script for it. Now it's displaying our total score. Now put anything on sale at any amount you want. And just follow me. So this is it. Your shop system is done. Thanks for watching.
Bye, have a great time.